there are issues which you must look at critically. What causes the difference between the rich and the poor? I want everybody, talk to your colleague near you. What causes the difference between the rich and poor? Are you informed that people are working in the same company? Or they are working in the same company? Maybe a forestry company. All of you. But you are getting the same salary. Why others are rich and others are poor? What causes that one? Some people are rich, others are poor. When you are getting the same salary and you are working for the same company, under the same environment, there are five issues to look at. What causes the differences between? One is financial intelligence. Do you have it? Financial intelligence? The ability to handle money and spend it correctly. Financial intelligence. Some people have it, which is inability, which cannot be seen. Others, they don't have it. That is one. Two, financial discipline. Some people, they don't have financial discipline. That's why others are rich, others poor. Because when you handle money, you become mad. Others, they look for vehicles, others, they look for land, others, they look for women. Do you have financial discipline? Careful methods of spending money. Do you have them? Another point, financial integrity. Do you spend money accordingly or just spend anyhow? It is also very important to become rich. Financial integrity. Very, do you spend money accordingly? Another one, financial management. Can you manage money? What is financial management? Isn't it? According to the common man, not according to the technical person. Everything I'm explaining, not according to the technical person, according to a common person. Isn't it? Spending money in departments. Departments. Isn't it? It is very important. Very important. Why some people are rich, others are poor. Isn't it? That one will create differences between people. They are getting the same salary, working for the same company. Isn't it? Do you still remember what we have said? In summary, we have said if you want to be a very good businessman, if you want to have a lot of money in life, the following must be in your hands in terms of money. 1, financial intelligence. 2, financial integrity. 3, financial management. 4, financial discipline. It is very important. It can help you to manage a company. It can help you to develop. The moment they're already in your hands, don't lose it if you have it. Goodbye.